Meet Trey. Trey increased his monthly income by starting a side hustle that makes him an extra $2,000 a month by simply recommending amazing products that he loves to his friends, family members, and peers that he believes would love them too. So today, we're going to break down how Trey is able to do this. This side hustle is a side hustle that many of you have asked about and that, personally, I love. Today's side hustle is affiliate marketing, but strictly using Gumroad. For those who don't know what Gumroad is, it's an e-commerce platform that allows you to sell digital goods like courses and ebooks. The great thing about Gumroad is that it's so easy to set up because of how user-friendly it is, especially for anyone looking to become an affiliate marketer. So, for those who are a little confused, affiliate marketing is simply recommending some of your favorite products and services from companies, brands, and individuals that you enjoy to others. Literally, it's that simple. You're promoting products and services that you not only enjoy, but you think other people enjoy as well. Some of the most common products are digital products like ebooks and courses. Some of the most common companies are Amazon, Robinhood, and Webull. With companies like Webull and Robinhood, when you sign up, you get free stocks. And when you get someone else to sign up with your affiliate link, you get even more free stocks. Those stocks can then be cashed out and turned into cash. Or you can keep them, hold them, or flip them. But basically, you can do whatever you want with those stocks. This works with cryptocurrency too. If you get someone to join Coinbase and trade $100 worth of cryptocurrency, you'll both get $10 in Bitcoin for free. What really makes affiliate marketing lucrative is when you promote a service or product that can earn you recurring revenue. Say you're promoting a membership site. Someone uses your affiliate link to join the membership site for $10 a month, and the affiliate commission is 50%. You'll be getting $5 every month for each affiliate you get to join, meaning if you get 10 people to join and they stay for a year, you're getting $50 every single month for simply getting people to sign up one time. Now yes, $50 might not be much to most people, but when you're promoting sites that are charging $50 a month and you receive $25 for each sign up and you get 100 people to sign up, you're making $2,500 each month in passive income. That is enough to pay the average person's monthly car payment, rent, and more. Now obviously, getting 100 people to sign up isn't easy, but when you utilize social media ads, theme pages, reach out to family and friends, and promote your affiliate link on your own social media pages, getting 100 people to sign up starts to become much more obtainable. Now my favorite affiliate marketing website is Gumroad. Gumroad has a super easy sign-up system and a super easy payout system. When it comes to affiliate marketing with Gumroad, you first need to figure out who and what products you want to promote. All throughout Instagram and Twitter, you'll see plenty of people promoting different services and products using Gumroad. So if you've ever bought one of those products and services, and you think that they not only provide value, but that other people would enjoy it, you might as well become an affiliate for that product or service. You could simply become an affiliate by reaching out to the owner or the person selling those products and services. You can do this by either emailing them or messaging them on Instagram. Whatever route you take, you simply need to contact them and ask them if they offer affiliate marketing for their product and/or service. They'll either tell you yes or no. If they say yes, then they'll ask you for your email address. You can send that over, and shortly after, you'll receive an email that looks like this. Once you have received this email, you are now an affiliate for that product and/or service. Here, you will see the affiliate link that you can promote, along with the commission rate, which is a percentage of how much you get paid for each sale. You want to make sure that you copy and paste that exact link and not anything else, otherwise you won't receive a commission on any sales obtained. So, when it comes to promoting, you want to promote your link as much as you can on social media to your friends and family members that you know will find interest in the course, ebook, and membership. Remember, the more you promote it, the more people will see it. The more people that see it, the more people that click on your link. More clicks results in more purchases, resulting in more money in your pockets. Now, if you're playing the long-term game, you can take that money that you earn and grow your own audience. That way, you have a bigger audience you can promote to. So you could take those affiliate commission payouts and reinvest them into growing and promoting your own social media audience centered around the niche of the affiliate product you were promoting. This way, you can now promote directly to your audience and people that have a strong interest in that niche and product. And as you grow your own page, you can continue to promote your affiliate links, Or you could even switch and start selling your own product within that same niche. This way, you keep 100% of the sales. So yeah, that's how you get started. Basically, you reach out to a company or person selling a product, service, and membership using Gumroad, and get them to add you as an affiliate and email you your affiliate link. You then take that link and promote it to people you believe would find value in the product, service, and/or membership. Every time you make a sale, you'll get paid a percentage of that sale. That percentage depends on what you and the creator decide, but usually that rate is 50%. But it doesn't hurt to ask for a higher commission rate. You get paid via PayPal or direct deposit. Gumroad payouts are on every Friday. So in simple terms, affiliate marketing is getting paid for helping people by recommending good products and services to them that you believe they will find value in. With that said, let me know in the comments section if this is a side hustle you think would work for you. Also, stay tuned for the next video as we keep breaking down side hustles, Instagram growth strategies, and more. Make sure you watch some of the previous videos where we share so much free game and information. Oh yeah, right, and do me a favor, smash that like button before you go. I'll see you in the next video.